We've all been there. You buy a brand new ceramic pan. It's beautiful, it's gleaming white, and that first egg you fry slides around like it's on an ice rink. You think, this is it, I'm never using Teflon again. But fast forward 6 months, and that same pan is a nightmare. Everything sticks, there are brown stains that won't come off, and you're wondering where it all went wrong. Why do ceramic pans fail so much faster than everything else in your kitchen? I'm Sal, and today, we're going to explain the science of the ceramic lie. First, we need a reality check. Your pan isn't actually made of solid ceramic like a coffee mug or a floor tile. It's usually an aluminum pan coated in something called Sol gel. Sol gel is a silica-based solution that is sprayed onto the metal and then baked in an oven. The non-stick magic doesn't come from a smooth surface. It comes from microscopic silicone oil that is actually built into the coating. Every time you cook, a tiny amount of that oil is released to keep things slippery. But here's the problem, that oil is a finite resource. Once it's gone, it's gone. The second reason these pans die early is basic physics. Ceramic is a glass-like material. It's very hard, but it's also very brittle. Underneath that coating is an aluminum pan that expands when it gets hot and shrinks when it cools down. Because the ceramic coating is so stiff, it doesn't want to stretch with the metal. Over time, high heat causes thousands of microscopic cracks to form in the finish. You can't see them with your eyes, but your food can feel them. These tiny canyons trap food particles and burnt grease, making the pan feel like sandpaper. Then there's the silent killer, carbonization. Because ceramic has a more porous microscopic surface than traditional non-stick pans, tiny droplets of cooking oil get stuck deep in the pores. If you use high heat, that oil burns and turns into a thin, invisible layer of lacquer. This layer is incredibly sticky, and because it's trapped in the pores of the ceramic, you can't just wipe it away. Scrubbing hard enough to remove the burnt oil usually means scrubbing off the ceramic coating itself. It's a battle you just can't win. Let's look at the numbers. A high-quality PTFE, or Teflon, pan can easily last 3 to 5 years if you treat it well. A cast iron skillet can literally last a lifetime. But a ceramic pan? Most people find they lose their non-stick power in 6 to 12 months. Ceramic is great for high heat tolerance, meaning it won't release toxic fumes if it gets too hot, but it simply wasn't built for the long haul. It's at its absolute best the day you take it out of the box, and it's a downhill slide from there. So, is ceramic cookware a scam? Not exactly. It's a great choice if you want to avoid specific chemicals and you only cook on low to medium heat. But if you're looking for a forever pan, ceramic isn't it. Think of it like a light bulb. It's effective, it's clean, but eventually, it's designed to be replaced. Keep the heat low, use plenty of butter or oil, and always hand wash. And maybe lower your expectations just a little bit. I'm Sal, and now you know.